Adding a voiceover to your Canva video enhances its engagement and professionalism. This video is a step-by-step guide on how you can do it. First, you have to open your project to the Canva. If you're not already logged in, log in. If you don't have an account, make an account. It's very quick. Now click on the Upload tab of the left sidebar, then select the Record Yourself option. A recording studio will pop up, and now click on Start Recording button to start begin. After recording, click Done, then recording will be added to your uploads. Now you can drag it into your upload video timeline and synchronizes with your visuals. In your Canva project, click on Uploads tab and then select Upload Files to import your audio file. Once uploaded, drag the audio file into your timeline and adjust it. This way you can have a pre-recorded audio file into your Canva project. So these were the step-by-step guide on how you can add voiceover to enhance your video presentation in Canva, and I'll see you in the next one.